Pagbaba! Da! Republika ng Pilipinas.
Mga kaibigan, ang Pangulo.
Please remain standing for the
The handing over of saber, which is the command symbol, is a reflection of loyalty and dependability, as it denotes responsibility, as well as the command and authority as commandant, with all its powers appertaining thereto. Fifth Commandant of the Philippine Coast Guard. Please be seated.
Maraming salamat po. Maupo tayo lahat. Secretary John Abaya, Secretary Sunny Coloma, Vice Admiral Edmond Tan, Rear Silve, hindi maumabot na isang taon, Edmond. Sayang. Kahit lang kay Rear Admiral Aisorena, huwag mong sasayangin ang mga reformang ipinunla ng inyong mga sinundan. Suklian mo ng tapat na paglilingkod ang tiwalang kaloob sa iyo, hindi lang ng tanod baybayin ng Pilipinas, kundi ng sambayanan. Batid kong ilan sa inyo'y halos ibuwis ang buhay sa pagsalubong sa rumaragasang tubig baha upang sumaklolot ilikas ang inyong kapwa. Magandang araw po sa lahat. Maraming salamat po.
The command memento is a replica of Coast Guard BO-105 helicopter with tail number Pinoy 2860, symbolizing the inspiration and leadership being provided by our guest of honor to the men and women of the Philippine Coast Guard towards
Marami pong salamat, mahal na Pangulo. May we request our distinguished guests for cocktails at the function hall. And once again, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat at mabuhay ang tanod baybayin ng Pilipinas.